Why good people get left behind, a Stoic perspective. Let's get something straight. Being a good person doesn't guarantee a good life. Harsh, right? But deep down, you've felt it. You've done the right thing, stayed honest, helped others, even when no one was watching. And what did it get you? Passed over, overlooked, sometimes even disrespected. You were told that goodness is its own reward. But the world doesn't work like that, and you know it. The truth is, virtue alone won't shield you from pain. And if you think kindness will protect you, you're misunderstanding what it truly means to live with strength. This isn't pessimism, it's clarity. And it's something the Stoics understood centuries ago. Marcus Aurelius, emperor, philosopher, survivor, said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." But what he didn't say, and what many forget, is that being good doesn't mean being soft. It means being anchored, even when the storm hits. And here's where many of us fall. We equate goodness with passivity. We think that silence earns respect, that compromise earns loyalty. But the world doesn't bow to good intentions. It bows to clarity, discipline, and power, tempered by virtue. So let me ask you this. How often have you apologized for things that weren't your fault just to keep the peace? How many times have you held back your truth, worried that others might not like you anymore? That's not stoicism. That's fear in disguise. The Stoics didn't avoid conflict. They mastered control. They didn't seek revenge. But they never allowed disrespect to take root. Because for them, philosophy wasn't a bedtime story. It was armor. Seneca said, "You act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire." We chase approval as if it matters more than integrity. We fear discomfort more than we fear dishonor. But here's what no one tells you. Real strength is quiet. It's not in shouting. It's not in domination. It's in knowing who you are and refusing to be moved by things that don't matter. Now here's the part most people miss. Power doesn't always come from action. Sometimes it comes from restraint. Not every battle needs to be fought, but the ones that matter, you fight with precision, with conviction, and without apology. Because Stoicism isn't about detachment from the world, it's about stepping into it unshaken. So the next time someone mistakes your kindness for weakness, don't rush to prove them wrong. Just stand tall. Let time do the talking. The person who needs to prove nothing is often the one who has already won. Think of it like this. You are a mountain. The wind howls, the rain beats down, but you don't flinch. People might not understand you. They might call you cold, distant, even arrogant. But that's only because they expect you to bend like they do, and when you don't, they get uncomfortable. Let them. Your calm, your presence, your refusal to be dragged into petty drama. That is your power. And in a world that's loud, reactive, and constantly shifting, your stillness becomes magnetic. That's what separates a Stoic from the rest. They don't chase chaos, they outlast it. So here's the truth. One more time. Being good won't always be noticed. It won't always be praised. And it won't always be rewarded. But that's okay. Because you don't do it for applause. You do it because it's who you are. So stop waiting for the world to recognize your worth. Live it. Own it. And let them wonder how you stay grounded while everything around them shakes. Because you're not just a good person. You're a Stoic in a world that's lost its way, and that changes everything.